Well, everyone, I have a cute little quirky tiny little video that I want to showcase to you guys, and it's basically how you can make your own portable Xbox. Now, this is a very easy process. It doesn't take too much time, and I wanted to drop it on my second channel. I talk a lot about gaming here, and the way to do this is pretty much using an iPad as your, portable Xbox. So what this entails is you already have to have an Xbox to own. I know that kind of sucks, but it's pretty much the main way to do this. You can use an Xbox One, an Xbox Series X or S, whichever Xbox you want to use. And that's really it. As long as you have one of those consoles, you're pretty much set. Now what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your Xbox, and you actually want to go ahead and you want to go inside of your Xbox settings. You want to go into your system settings. You want to go inside of your devices and connections panel. You then want to go ahead and click on remote features. And when you click on remote features, you want to go ahead and make sure you click on the, option that is enable remote features. Now, when you do that, pretty much anytime you want to go ahead and connect to this device remotely, that's really it. You pretty much have everything set up on your Xbox. Now we can make our way over to our iPad, and you can also do this on an Android tablet or whatever other device too. I'm just using an iPad for this example. You want to make your way over to your App Store or your Play Store, and you want to go ahead and download the Xbox application. Now I will try to remember to link it in the description. If I forget to, just go ahead and type in Xbox, and from there you can download this application. Now when you download it, all you will have to do is sign in to the same exact account that you have on your Xbox. So in this specific case, I've already signed in, so that's really all you have to do. Just sign into the same exact account that you have on your Xbox. Now when you do that, what you want to do is you want to click on that little Xbox button, and you want to connect to your Xbox. Now this is a little bit of a process, and sometimes it's confusing, and they may have updated it since me making this video, but you just want to go ahead and try your best at linking your Xbox that you have to your iPad and to your Xbox account. Now when you have that all set up, you're pretty much almost done. Once your Xbox is set up to your iPad, you'll see this little rocket controller thing come up, and it's pretty much trying to connect to your specific, Xbox. And when it's ready, you'll see that your Xbox will then go ahead and show up on your specific iPad. And that's really it. Now it's not a touchscreen. You will have to go and connect an Xbox controller to your specific iPad. So go ahead and, go inside of your Bluetooth settings and then connect a controller to your specific iPad. And that's really it. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection, you can pretty much stream your Xbox to your iPad, and it's a very easy process from there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.